As you can see, they're doing work on a Big Thunder Mountain there. That's for its year-long renovation. Putting in new track. Probably also a few preparations for Villain's Land when it comes in, because this way, all around here is going to be the cars attraction, and in here is probably going to be a way through to Villain's Land. But yeah, as you can see there, you can just see the new track going in, new dark track. I believe they're going to put in a few more effects, if you can hear me over the dueling horns. But yeah, that ride should be smooth for a good while yet. How rude.